Next is aniline preparation and properties. Aniline is an aromatic amine and a number of preparations are given in the textbook. You just follow the syllabus. Only one preparation you have to study. Preparation reduction of nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene, when it is subjected to reduction with nascent hydrogen, which is obtained from zinc, tin and HCl, primary amine, that is aniline, and water are obtained. Now physical properties, 6 physical properties are given in the text. Please refer the text. Chemical properties. All the chemical properties you can write by yourself, and because the reason is that we already studied with aliphatic amine. Very slight differences that will be explained. 1. Reaction with HCl, salt formation. Aniline react with strong acids to form salts. Aniline reacts with hydrogen chloride, that is hydrochloric acid, and forms a compound like this, C6H5NH2, that is aniline. Put a dot, HCl, that is called the salt. This can be rearranged and write it like this also, which is correct. C6H5, HCl ionizes as H plus and Cl minus. That H will be added along with NH2. That is, a bond is formed with the lone pair of the nitrogen and forms C6H5NH3 plus and Cl minus. Now with H2SO4, C6H5NH2, that is aniline, react with sulfuric acid and forms a salt like this because it is a dibasic acid. Therefore, C6H5NH2 twice plus put a dot and write H2SO4. This is called the salt. The ionic form it can be written because here there are 2 ions. That means 2 molecules of amines. Each one is having a lone pair of electron. Therefore, H2SO4 ionizes as H plus SO4 2 minus. Therefore, these 2 H plus are accepted by the 2 molecules of aniline and form C6H5N plus H3. That means a plus star twice. Both the hydrogen ions are taken by the 2 molecules of aniline and forms SO4 2 minus. These salts are ionic in nature and they are soluble in water. Acetylation and alkylation. You can write both the reactions by yourself and check the answer by referring the textbook. Aniline react with acid chloride, that is acetyl chloride, and acid anhydrides in the presence of pyridine. Write the condition correctly. Above the arrow mention it is pyridine to form corresponding amides called anilides. These names you can look and write below the compound. First, find out the compound. Since you studied the mechanism, it is better to apply that mechanism here and find out what are the products even for alkylation. Along with that, there is benzoylation, which is similar to acetylation. Therefore, instead of an aromatic acyl chloride is used. That is the difference. Write the heading benzoylation. Aniline react with benzoyl chloride in the presence of aqueous NaOH. Write the condition. In pyridine, the same condition what is given for former case to form N-phenyl benzamide. Write the name of the compound by looking at the name what is given here. Try to write the compound. Only the HCl is eliminated. The same mechanism. Benzoylation of aniline in presence of dilute aqueous sodium hydroxide is called Schotten-Bowman reaction. This please make a note. Therefore, benzoylation, when you write in bracket, you write this Schotten-Bowman reaction. All the name reactions are important. Therefore, this reaction is an important reaction.